There are a few options in which you can view all of the contacts in HubSpot. Contact records are the anchors of each and every feature in HubSpot. Within the contact record, you will see the history of every related activity, deal, list, workflow, and many more properties. When looking at the list view of contacts, you have multiple options for views. Views are filtered ways that you can pin to your instance to get a quick view of a specific type of contact. You will see just below the page title the total amount of contacts in your CRM. Below that, you will see 3 standard tabs: All Contacts, My Contacts, and Unassigned Contacts. Depending on your role, you can configure the contact views best suited for you. If your role requires a different view, click Add View that is located just right of the tabs pinned to your instance. From the drop-down, you can see several options such as All Contact, My Contact, and so on. These are existing views that are saved in your instance. To create a new and specific view, select Create New View from the bottom of the drop-down panel. Give the new view a name, who has the ability to see it, and click Save. Next, you will begin adding filters to get the desired list of contacts. Once you have finished adding filters, make sure you hit Save View. Located here on the right-hand side. There is also an option to choose a view that has been created by others or to create a new view of your own. There are many property filters to choose from. Just to the right of the Add View, click All Views. These are all views that have been created in the system already. So in summary, HubSpot's Contact List View is a user-friendly and easily configured way to keep track of the status of your company's contacts.